Good morning, traders. This is PotterStocks. Just coming to you guys with a little update here on Tesla. Sorry, I missed out a couple days. We did have some pretty good trading, and this one did accurately hit one of our price targets. We are always usually aiming at cost basis, which is our median. That is exactly where we hit, dead slap center in between that area of consolidation. So good stuff on that. Now, typically when that happens, you want to hold on to that previous floor. We didn't do that. We're coming back down. And unfortunately, this morning, we just seen a little bit further down, tapping 271. But here is where things go down. Mark my words, this is where things will go down. Obviously, we need to see some sort of retest above us if that is going to happen. But below this 270.85, there is a cost basis mark in that. That is going to be around the 269.50. If these are broken, I suspect that we could come down. You can also see, just zooming out here a little bit on Tesla, that we are obviously in trend. Now, I'm going to fix that bottom just a little bit, but structurally, this is a great trend. I like when stocks are moving and things like this. These can expand, these can contract, so on and so forth. But you'll notice that we are opening up below that deviation mark. That again, this is second. The channel is always second. First is always boxes, structure, etc., etc. But you'll notice, obviously, we have an imbalance here. We don't have a lot of volume. And the only bigger bounce or rejection mark is off of this 266.25, 266.50. You'll see a big candle push off of that, and you'll also see the rejection coming off of that. So we have that, but it's also not an area of consolidation or an area of volume. So just pushing down below and closing inside that 270, underneath that 271, 270.85, more than likely will have Tesla moving to the downside. And I have a price target of around 263.50. But please also keep in mind that just because just because we look as if we were going to move down, that is not happening until those triggers go off. Obviously, I trade live every day, so people can watch me and we make those decisions live. But if we're looking at where we go north, if you take a look at this candle, obviously we have our top here. That is a mark, but I know people are going to want to get in sooner. But you'll notice if you zoom in here just a little bit, and we'll take away the little projection here. If you zoom in here, you'll notice that the tops, right? 1, 2, those are that, and then you also know the wicks, right? That's 275. So obviously getting a candle up and out of that mark and above 275, especially on a higher time frame, we could be looking at another move up on Tesla into the 280s to so on and so forth. I think it's also important, take a look at the weekly. Where are we? We are trying to reclaim something, but unfortunately, we have that big old gap below us. And this whole entire area could be used as an area of consolidation. But on the weekly, you'll notice there are big levels like 262, 265. And of course, this floor here at 271.50. So these are going to be major price sparks that we need to hold on to going into today and the rest of the week with FOMC. But otherwise, I hope you guys have a great week. We have been, if there's any stock that I know how to trade, it's this one. I'm going to continue to what I do almost every single day. But when I look at it every single morning, there's key things that I look for. Right now, opening up, I think there is a good chance for traders to sit and make a good decision because we are in an area that I believe could be an area of misdirection. But obviously, we have our triggers above and below us. We use areas of consolidation and the break of the 50% mark. And that's how we get in and out of trades. Good, solid stop loss, entry, and exit. So anyway, you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.